Hi, welcome to Show New Channel. Please like, share and subscribe. My today's topic is forest. A forest is a large area dominated by trees. Hundreds of more precise definitions of forest are used throughout the world, incorporating factors such as tree density, tree height, land use, legal standing, ecological function. Forests are the dominant territorial ecosystem Earth and are distributed around the globe. So, according to the widely used Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) definition, forests cover 4 billion hectares or approximately 30% of the world land areas in 2006 in 2006, and forests account of 75% of the gross primary production of the earth biosphere and contain 80% of the earth plant biomass. So the net primary production, if we see in tropical forest, it is around 21.9 gigatons carbon per year, and for temporal forest it is 8.1 gigaton carbon per year, and for boreal it is 2.6 gigaton carbon per year. So, forests at different latitude and elevation form distinctly different ecozones. So, in boreal forest, we know it is near the poles, and this is the photo of boreal forest. And tropical forest, which is near the equator, and this is the photo of one of the tropical forest. And this is temperate forest, which is at mid latitude. So, high elevation areas tends to support forests and similar to those at higher latitude and amount of composition. Now we will see forest in India. So according to state record, the forest area covers 23.28% of the total land area of the country. Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under forest and followed by Arunachal Pradesh. But in terms of per capita forest area, Arunachal has the highest per capita forest area. The lowest forest percentage is in Haryana and Punjab. These are some regions which are very important, such as Sundarban is in West Bengal, Godavari and Krishna is in Andhra Pradesh, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra, Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat, Kondapur, Karnataka, Vembanad, Kerala, Kaveri Delta, Tamil Nadu, Mahanadi Delta and Bhitarkanika, Odisha, Andaman and Nicobar is in Andaman and Nicobar. So, very important for exam point of view, you should remember these names. Now, classification of forest. Actually, there are many classifications, but first we will see as far as authority power. In that one is classified as administrative classification and another is constitutional classification. So in administrative classification, you will find three names: reserve forest, protected forest, unclassified forest. And in constitutional classification, you will see state forest, communal forest, private forest. So let's see one by one. Reserve forest, those forests are under direct supervision of the government where no public entry is allowed for collecting timber and grazing of cattle also. About 53% of the forest area fall under this category. Second, protected forest. These forests are looked after by the government, but local public are allowed to collect timber of firewood and graze their cattle without causing serious damage to the forest. Around 29% of the forest area fall under this category. The third is unclassified forest. In the unclassified forest, where there is no restriction on cutting trees or animal, and about 18% of forests are under this category. So this make 100% according to the administrative classification. Now, if you see this classification as far as in terms of constitutional classification, you will see the three more type. First is state forest. These are under the full control of the government, either of state or central, and include almost all the important forest area of the country. Around 93.5% of total forest cover are under this category, state forest. Communal forests. These forests are owned and administered by the local bodies, either by municipal corporation, municipal board, town area, district board, village panchayat, etc., and occupy about 4.9% of forests are under this category. Private forest. These are under the private ownership and cover only 1.3% of the forest area. Now these forests are rapidly converted to wasteland, and Odisha has highest private forest in the country. For now, forest cover in India. We will see first its definition. Forest cover is defined as all lands more than 1 hectare in area with a tree canopy density of more than 10% percentage, irrespective of ownership and legal status. Such lands may not necessarily be a recorded forest area. It also includes orchards, bamboo, and palm. So there are five kind of forest covers which are found in India. First is very dense forest. All lands with tree canopy density of 70% and above is called very dense forest. It's spread over 2.54% of the geographical area in India. Second is moderate dense forest. All land with tree canopy density between 40% and 70%. It's spread over 9.74% of the geographical area in India. Third type is open forest. All lands with tree canopy density between 10% and 40%. It's spread over 8.99% of the geographical area of India. Fourth is scrub forest. All land with tree canopy density less than 10%. It's spread over 1.26% of the geographical area of India. Fifth, the non-forest, which does not have any canopy trees density. It's spread over 77.51% of the geographical area of India. So, human society and forest influence each other in positive and negative ways. Forests provide ecosystem service to human and serve as tourist attraction. Forests can also affect people's health. Human activity, including harvesting forest resources, can negatively affect forest ecosystem, and by all concerning and the consequences of harvesting and lot of things which are harming forest, we have started celebrating World Forest Day on 21st of March. So to we realize the importance of forest, and I hope we will all take care of it. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you.